Is your shampoo stripping your hair of its nutrients and you don't know what to do anymore? This video is for you. Hello, blessed ones. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I just want to say welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by to see what your girl have in stock for you today. Yes, guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn your shampoo into a hair growth powerhouse. Yes, it's going to be a 10-part series. So today is the part one. So guys, without further talking too much, let's get right ahead and make this. So what I have here is three ingredients that I'm going to be using today. I have my ginger, I have my rosemary leaves, and as well I have one small onion. So you can use any onion of your choice, whether the purple, the yellow, or the white one. And I also have my shampoo, and you can as well use any shampoo of your choice. So first thing first, I'm going to be pouring the shampoo into my desired container. So you can use any shampoo jar of your choice and pour this in, guys. Today's video is just to let you know that you cannot just use shampoo alone, but you need to fortify your shampoo. You need to make sure your shampoo is as well growing your hair just like every other thing. Not like you use shampoo and it strip your hair off of the nutrients. No, you are adding more nutrient to your hair. So you go ahead and wash your rosemary leaves very well, rinse it thoroughly, and just break in portions like you see me doing here. Break it in portions and put it inside your shampoo just like this, and then you go ahead and cut off the hard part. So you see how I broke that up. I'll just break up the hard part of this and throw that aside. So I'm going to be using half of that ginger that you saw at first. This is the portion that I'll be needing for this video. So if you are making for one person, the shampoo that I poured in here is enough for three of us. So if you are making for one person, you can just reduce this ingredient in half or in quarters. So you apply that, add those ingredients into your shampoo. So depending on the amount of shampoo that you are putting, would desire ingredients that you'll be adding to your shampoo. I don't know if you understand that aspect, but anyways, reduce the ingredients you'll be adding if your shampoo is smaller. If you are using a smaller shampoo, you can just use half of this onion, but I'm using whole of this small portion of onion. I'm using everything today for this shampoo. Beautiful people, onion is very rich in sulfur that will help you to boost blood circulation to your scalp and increase the collagen production of your hair follicles, and as well stimulate hair growth. It will strengthen your hair, it will reduce your hair thinning out and treat your hair from dandruff and scalp infection. It will help to soften your hair, add shine, and as well reduce your hair from falling out. See the benefit of onion. That is very, very important for you to add it to your shampoo and your hair care regimen. So I'm going to be topping this up with more shampoo just to fill up the jar and cover up the onion, and I'm going to be stirring this with the cover of the shampoo. Then after stirring that, I'm going to cover this up and let it sit for 48 hours. After 48 hours, then we are ready to make use of our shampoo. Guys, the reason why you need to let it sit for 48 hours because you want this to infuse properly, the rosemary to release its nutrients. Like you all know, rosemary will help you to add shine and strength to your hair. It will help you to stimulate blood circulation in the scalp and stimulate those hair follicles that will support your hair growth. Consistent use of rosemary will stop your hair from thinning out, guys. Rosemary have a lot of benefit that cannot be overemphasized on your natural hair game. It is a must use, whether as essential oil or as rosemary oil or hairsprays, name it all. Rosemary is very, very important. When we talk about ginger, ginger will help you to boost blood circulation as well. And when blood circulation is completely boosted in your hair, then it will stimulate those hair follicles that will proceed to increase your hair growth. And guys, I don't even know how to put this to you. These three ingredients, they are a must use for your natural hair. They will help you to reduce your hair loss, fight dandruff, itchy scalp, improve your scalp health, increase the shine of your hair, increase the softness of your hair, making your natural hair wash day very, very manageable and seamless. Guys, Thank you so much for staying to the end of the video. May God bless you. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more. I'll see you in my next one. And bye for now. Mwah!